Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone and welcome back to my videos. Now let me explain that the solar panel that how many volts 680 watt 680 watt solar panel, and I will show you from the top. It is a big panel, so I want to make a electric geyser. So I want to measure if I want to make a electric geyser on a solar panel, whether is it possible or not. So let me show you a couple of wires. You can see here the red one is the positive and the negative one is the black one. So you can see I have joined the wires with the single solar panel, and now I want to measure the volts. So first of all, let me fix the cam to show you how many volts are coming. And another component is used is this heater element. I hope you can see it is 750 heater element, and I will check the highest heat where it is working. So let me pause it and fix the cam, and I will show you a new experiment. So guys, now I want to show you the measurement of this solar panel. I hope you couldn't see. Let me fix the cam because it is not showing. Let me pause it again. So guys, let me show the volts which I received from my single solar panel and how many volts are coming. So let me check the volts first of all. I hope you can see because the cam is the negative, and so for the time being it is around about 1 o'clock, and we have 43 volts burning. Or how is it working if I attach the heater element like this, and I will it's getting hot but not enough I have. So let me reduce the yeah, it's working. So let me fix this tissue paper to show you how much. So now let me fix this tissue paper, that whether is it burning or not, because it is not possible to show. Now you can see, I think a couple of, this is the power off. It is getting red. Oh, the fire is, now you can see the I don't think so that you can see the, it's getting hot. So a couple of inches or 3 inches is working to get the wire red or heat enough to. Now let me check the with the bucket of water, that how much time could it take to warm the water. So let me pause it again and see you again later. So guys, if you can see, the this experiment, I am using the single solar panel direct solar panel volts with this element. It is a 750 watt element, and I am using just 3 inches of this element. It is getting heat enough or getting bit red, as I have shown the in my other later. So I want to show you again. It's as I have told you that this is, it's winter, and nowadays, and today is 29th of December 2024, and now let me show you the, oh, sorry. So let me fix it again. So now you will see the experiment of this heat, although this tissue paper is getting wet, but I want to still go on with it. So I have attached the, you will see the, I hope you can see it, and you can see the smoke. Fire you can see. Now let me, so if you decrease the this coil, it will get more reddish. I hope you can see it now. It is getting red. So it is the heat of this. So I will prefer to go with the 3 inches. And so how to attach this? Let me pause it again, and I want to attach it and then reconnect with you. So guys, I have attached this element, and I want to show you how much time could it take to warm this water. So keep in touch with me. You can listen to the sound. And let me tell you that you don't worry about the shock of this DC volts, because above the volts of 60 volts it can shock you, but less than 60 volts DC volts cannot shock you. So let me zoom it to show you the bubbles of, I hope you can see it, the bubbles. It means the water is getting warm. So I hope you can see the bubbles of this. So guys, you can see this is the solar panel, 650 watts or 680 watts. This is the solar panel, single solar panel, which I have used for this experiment. And you can see there is a lot of dust on this, and if I put the clean a bit with the hand, you can see this is the position of dust which is on the solar panel. So let's move ahead. So guys, I have spent around about 45 minutes, and the water is a bit warm, not properly warm, but warm enough to wash your hands. So as far as this experience or experiment is concerned, that it is not heating the water so fast. So let me reduce the wire. So guys, I have spent around about 45 minutes, and the water is a bit warm, not properly warm, but come on. I hope now you can see it is. Now you can see the bubbles are going frequently, so it may form the water a bit quick, but now I fixed the element coil with the 1.5 inches, and now you can see the heat of the element. You can see it is burning, or the red wire you can see. So that's all for this experiment. I hope you would like, or if you have any satisfaction or have got new information by making these kind of projects, or if you have a couple of solar panels with the 600 watts, it will warm the water more quickly rather than with the single solar panel. So let me again show you how. You can see now it is getting fire. This is the hole. So I hope you would like this experiment, and if you have any sort of questions, please ask me, and like and subscribe my channel. So bye bye for now.